free.
Yeah.
It's free.
Okay. Wait. Guys, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, we're just choreographing our dance. What's the dance for, Korea?
It's for Anna and Jared's wedding.
Yes, and they don't know about
They
it.
don't know about it yet. They will know about it soon on the dance floor.
So we're gonna try, guys, because this is only 1 week.
So Fisanga is Savini. Wait, let me just pull you on loudspeaker. So Angi Mai Fisanga, what does that mean again, Dad? Oh, le Savili Malu. Okay. What about Tatafa Mai Oata?
Early morning.
Oh, so early morning.
Yeah.
Oh, so Angi Mai Fisanga, it's like Savili in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Dad. Yeah. Sorry, Dad. I love you, but I had to call my dad and translate some words. Poor Koinga was sleeping. I almost got knocked over by her knuckle, like.
Last time. One more time for good memory. One more time. Let's keep it rolling. Go back. Hi guys, this is 2 nights before.
Take 3.
No, it's take 1. What are you on about? And also, this is the first time Josiah has gone through this super. 48 hours before we're dancing. It's normal. First lot of cousins coming through.
Is it Justin?
Huh?
There's no one here.
Oh. Where are they? Look at them. Just sitting in the couple. We see you, Irene. Oh my gosh. Wait. No, he was just flashing his light. Welcome back, everyone.
Hey guys.
The married couple's back.
This is my last night in this house.
I just feel like
Can you break the bed? No. What are you like? Can you break the bed? Stop.
Good morning, everyone. We're currently just setting up the hall for this wedding, and I'm sweating. Well, stay tuned.
Where's Junior?
What are you doing today?
I'm setting up another wedding. And this is not mine.
The stress is gone.
All gone.
and passing it to these two.
I was really skinnier than this, but I just borrowed my brother's shirt. That's why I was a bit tight. Right.
It says, not only that, it says half. You're half the size.
Just from here, though.
What's going on? It's your vlog.
Why not your business?
Sure. So yeah, currently, and he's playing with his trolley. Hi, Hiram. I have nothing here. Mom, what are we doing today, Mom? Mom, what's going through your brain? What's going through your brain, Mom?
Nothing.
Frozen with stress. No stress?
Stress free.
Yeah. Okay. Hi.
Oh my dear.
I thought you were someone else. You look younger, Auntie. That's why.
Thank you.
Wow, they're here. Hi, Sydney people. Hi, Tatsao. What happened to your eye, baby? Mwah. These guys are vlogging today. What's your names?
Rain. Azaria.
Yeah, where you guys from?
Yeah. New Zealand.
Yeah.
Must be nice.
So what's this gonna be in the wedding?
This is the reception area.
Ooh.
Yes.
So where's the bridal table gonna be?
We're gonna be here.
Oh yeah.
And where are we gonna be? Very important members of the family.
The back.
Oh.
And there.
Right. Under God, yeah. That's where the important place is.
That's
so,
where you guys need
yeah.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm going to teach you guys how to cover a chair. Like this.
Yeah, I'm really...
Who's this guy recording?
Why'd you have to send the useless one here? Oh my gosh. Why'd you have to send the useless one here?
What are these two doing? Excuse me. Excuse me, Sal and Hiram. So these two are the youngest in both of our families. So Sal's the youngest in her family, and Harm's the youngest in his family, and they're both sitting down.
Why are you sitting down for?
Say hi. Oh, the skills of Rena. Look, everyone. Wow, that was perfect. A+ for Rena. And Ali, what's going on, Ali?
Setting up Jack ready.
Yeah. Are you excited? Hello.
Why are you running away?
Do you remember? Oh, and Lona's happy, right? You're smiling this time? She's still the same. Guys, she's smiling now. So we're getting roping the fish, bring it up. Oh no, we're not roping it up. So we're roping the fish, bring it up. The waves is going down, and we look down on the boat. Then we look and pull it up. And then sing it with us, kids. Ready?
I'll fight.
Well, no, 3,
Shut up.
6. Sing for us. What's the first word?
I'll fight it.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll fight it to see the
Ready? Go.
아는 서에서의 스와이랭아는
What do we have, Genga? What?
Hi guys! Hi Chinese vlog! We're eating pizza right now.
It's Rena. She's not even saying anything. And then there's this guy. Well, there's 2 besties. Can you smile? This is the progress, everyone. Wait. No. Oh. Winter, this is your dad. Winter, your dad. Guys, my decor team came through. So we have my brothers and cousin doing that. And then we have the little ones, the girls doing the tables. Head of logistics over here. And head of only just came here to do the tables. And this is the head of drinking all the drinks and not doing anything. What are you doing? Let's see. You're just drinking? Look how cute he is. Oh, we have our breakdancing. Breakdancing. Oh, you dance just like your auntie. Oh. Yeah. Oh, actually, you're better than your auntie. Yeah. Better see that tomorrow. It's a butt for you. What do you think? Yeah. Cousins? Hi. Oh, it's so many cute.
They should look like that.
Amazing. Wow. My future decor team here.
Guys, hi on this topic.
Now, this is our family decor team. Literally our family. that.
Luna, what were you saying about Nina's signal?
Hi. What was it? What was it? What? You got here 30 minutes ago?
Yeah, if you looked at your phone, you would know that.
Oh, you should have came out.
No, I had a nap and stuff.
Miley is here. Miley, this is my cousin Junior.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you didn't even introduce me.
Oh, and Bana.
Hi, I'm Bana.
Oh, yeah, that's Bana.
Okay, what are we doing?
Are you going as well?
Oh, do you have a template behind?
Hi guys, I'm back. This is Charity's vlog.
Well, my little cousins, right?
Yeah. My name is Crystal, and I've been back after. How long have I been gone? Guys, I've only been gone for a couple months. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no one
She's just jealous.
She was the first one to.
She's just jealous because she was crying.
Shut up.
She was crying because when I called her,
Say that.
I heard her sniffing her nose.
Yeah, shut
Some of the group is back. We're just currently doing.
Not the sitting the whole family in one. Not accurate, but.
That is my cousin. They're my cousins.
So funny.
So,
Yo,
like, these are all my cousins, but we're all gonna spread around.
Nah, look at our table. There's only one male on there.
No, I saw that. It was even.
Hi. Hey. Who's Jack?
Again.
Ooh, we're getting a free show for you guys.
See my double check.
For free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you drop them off?
Yeah, just want to go home.
Who was that?
For Gloria.
Doing number 13.
There you go. And then I'll go teach Gloria the stuff, the dance.
So back.
Oh, my parents and uncle and me sitting together. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, we're on the final stages, right, Junior? How are you feeling, Junior?
Exhausted. Very long day.
Yeah.
But we got there and it looks beautiful.
Guys, this is what it looks like. And it smells like...
Charity's feet.
No, we just need to open the air. Open the windows. Okay guys, literally this is what it will look like for a little bit. This is kind of what it will look like. Oh wait, my phone is flickering. Because of how beautiful you are. Oh. So, what's going on, miss?
So right now we're just taking a break. Just admiring how beautiful the venue is right now.
You know? Yeah.
I did nothing. Yeah, neither. So. We're here for the vibes. We're here for the vibes. Get here.
Jealous. You're just jealous.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Okay, this is... Oh!
Did you sauce? Wow. Did you sauce? Yeah, what took the letter O on the floor?
Take this out.
I miss you, but not in the morning. I was kidding. You just came in from the gym. Why did you say?
Oh, you're saying it's them now.
Hold up. Spray it
Hard. Oh, the spring stuff. That's it.
Donna Jane.
No,
We don't stay out
we
this
don't stay up this late.
Wow. It's 12 a.m. Go, I really. Go practice the Ayuli that you've always wanted to do. Oi, boy. Best. It's you. Who does that?
This part monkeys.
Oh.
I always love when they do that. Has like to say. It's a little for me.
Give me all of this.
Oh, where's the? Oh, we ate all our salad, guys.
Man, I don't know if I can dance.
I'm sick of this.
Like,
Shout out to Muffy and Irene, who's over there somewhere. Okay, this is the end of the day. This is.
Is the vlog gonna be too early?
No, I separate them. Oh no.
Tu sabes que